Hi guys, happy Sunday. Welcome to Cosying Up with Essy, where we do all things DIY, home decor and organization, hauls, trips, tips and hacks for your home. My name is Essy and welcome to a little home of simple, cozy and inexpensive ideas. So in this video, I'm sharing a Kamukunji haul. So these are kitchen utensils that my friend wanted to get for the house, and also some curtains. So we went to Gekomba to get some curtains, and then we went to Kamukunji to get the kitchenware. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Come along with me. I'll show you a very short clip on Kamukunji where we bought the items. So Kamukunji is one of the best places to get items, especially for the kitchen, for the house, because they have duvets, they have covers, they also have curtains if you love the new ones. I love mixing the new ones, and also for the ones that are thrifted. So you can also get anything on kitchen. So you get the utensils, you get the rags, you get whatever you want, and it's at a good deal because these guys bring the items and they sell you at a wholesale price and also at a retail price, and also you can be able to bargain. So guys, I want to share some of these items that we bought, and I hope you guys enjoy the video, and let me know in the comment section below which was your favorite item that we bought, and if it's something that you can do for your house. So this is where I bought the items. As you can see, they're just displayed. So what you need to do is just observe and check on what you want, and then ask for the price. And if you want to bargain, you also bargain for the price as well. So there are so many shops on this mall on Kamukunji, so you can choose whichever shop you like, where you find all your utensils or what you need is there. And then also it's good to verify and ask prices from different shops so that you can get a good deal where you're going to buy your items. So as we settled for one shop, and that's where we bought all our items, but then again it's because we had already looked around. So we are back in the house, and this is how the kitchen looks. It doesn't have much going on. So we have the old sufurias and some plastic containers, and yeah, it's a guy's house, so there is nothing much around here. But of course guys, let me know in the comment section below after this what you will see the transformation, guys. So guys, it's time to unbox, and we are starting with sufurias here. So a lot of these items I bought them in one place in Kamukunji, and others I shopped around. So the first thing you need to do is do some window shopping so that you can see the varieties of how much people are charging for different items, and then now you can proceed and maybe choose one place or buy different items at different places. So I had a very large shopping list, so I decided to get most of the items in one place. So yeah, so let's see what we have here. So this is a set of 4. So these are the covers of the sufuria, as you can see. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually they are 5. Yeah, they are 5. 4 sufurias and a pan. So this is how it looks. As you can see, it's granite, very nice quality. So, and then I have the cork here. So I'll show you the sizes. So that's one. Then we have a larger one. And then, oh yeah, we have the big pan. Wow, this will be so nice for deep frying and also pan frying items, maybe like pan frying vegetables and chicken. So that's it. Then we have a bigger one. Wow. I think I need the housewarming, so this is the bigger one. And we have this one for you all. So that's it. So if I close here, I have this, and followed by this. Sorry. That followed by that, followed by a pan, followed by this, and finally followed by that. And then now we have these other ones. So I need to remove them from the plate because they need to be washed as well. I install these. So guys, this set was initially 8,500. I bargained to 8K. So as you can see, it was a very nice deal. Yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you have ever gotten such a deal. So on the description box below, I'll also attach where I got the items from, the specific shop, and also maybe I can try and see also if I can attach the prices as well. Okay, so guys, we have this. These are a set of 6 glasses. So as you can see, they look like this. I'm going to get a glass and show you guys how the glass looks. Yeah. So this is the glass. So this is how the glass looks. It's like a whiskey glass. It can also hold some water. So it's a pack of 6. So a pack of 6 we bought for 50. Yeah. So these glasses cost for 50. Then I have something else for you here. So the best thing with buying things at one place is that they are able to pack for you nicely, because these are glassware. They are very vulnerable to let's say to breakage. So they need to be folded nicely with carton. So these were 2. So as you can see, these are very nice bowls, and this one was 650, so we bought 2. Yeah. Then have something here. I can't remember what this is. I think this okay, let's see. So we are unboxing everything. Oh yeah, these are saucer plates. So we bought a set of plates, saucer plates, bowls, and the big plates. So these are saucer plates, and these ones were 6. They're 6. We took 6. So this is the first saucer plate set. Then unboxing this is not easy. So it's fun because it's something new. So these are the things that my friend will be using. So let's see what is here. Yeah, so as you can see, these are set of plates. So these are as well, they are 6 plates. Saucer plates. Then we have here, these are also a set of 6. So let's see what we have here. Okay. So we have these ones. So this set, it's a dining set. So we had a bigger bowl and also the smaller ones. So these ones are the big ones, and they are more preferable because you can put tartar sauce, you can put some fruits inside, some oatmeal. You know, you don't want a lot of quantity. So these ones were there, like the practical and functional ones, because you want utensils that are practical and functional for your kitchen. So these were very good. open it and I'm washing. So it's a set of 6, and these tags have a pattern as well. So maybe I'll show you up close and we take some photos. So the next item I bought was a sieve and these storage containers. So these storage containers are good for maybe flour, rice, sugar, for keeping for arranging the cabinet and just keeping your cabinets and your kitchen shelves organized. So we bought 4 of them, and they have lids as well. Then the next thing, we bought these bowls, these green bowls. So these ones are for washing vegetables. You can wash potatoes, and then they have the sieve, so you just pour the water using the sieve, so you don't have to do much work when you're in the kitchen. So we bought 2 of those. I think one of each was 200 bob. So these are the lids for the storage containers as well. So you just open up there and then you close once you finish using the storage box. Then we have this silicone pack. So this is a silicone kitchen utensils. These days silicone utensils are the best, especially when cooking with non-stick pans, because with non-stick pans you don't want to have to destroy them using metal spoons. So we bought this green, we went with the green theme. So this one is a sugar dish. That one we bought for I think 200 bob as well, or 250, yeah. So for the silicone, as I was saying, so it comes with the container which holds the spoons, and then I'm going to display everything. So this one was 2,500, but you can also bargain and get it at a cheaper price. I think right now they are a bit cheaper. So it has this. So all these you can the silicone, all of them you can use it. You can use using the non-stick pans and also any other sufuria you have. So it comes with a set of different spoons. Then we have a whisker. We also have a tongue that you can use. The tongue you can use it when not when using the oven, yeah, when using the oven, or if you want to get something from it. And then we also have this one, it's a silicone brush for marinating. And we have the spaghetti spoon. We have the serving spoon. As you can see, it is one of the best things that I bought. Actually, I don't know, let me know in the comment section below if this is something that you can get for your kitchen, but for me this was one of the good findings. So as you can see, you serve with these spoons, you cook with them, and yeah, it's all purpose. So these are it's the pair of tongs, as I was saying. So all these you can use them using non-stick pans. You can also use them in any kitchenware in your kitchen. So the next thing we bought were spoons. Yeah, spoons. So the spoons were at 1,200. So this is the set of spoons. As you can see, it has 6 spoons, it has 6 teaspoons, sorry, and then it has 6 tablespoons, and it has 6 knives, and it has 6 forks. As you can see, we also bought a salt shaker which also has the green theme, and the spoons also came with a spoon holder. As you can see, it's a metal spoon holder. So the next thing, he wanted to also change the utensil rack. So we bought a 3 3-rack utensil rack. It's metal. It's, I think this one is the metals that do not rust. So we bought this 3-rack at 2,000. Yeah, at 2,000 shillings. So that's kind of shillings, or that's $20. Yeah, so what I'm doing right now, I'm just assembling the parts, and then I'm going to wash the utensils, and yeah, I'll show you the after I finish assembling the rack. So it comes with some springs, so it's very easy to assemble it, and also the picture that is on the carton serves like a manual or a guide to what you need to have. So this is the finished product. I've already assembled it and we are ready to go. So now we already cleaned the utensils, and as you can see, the rack looks so nice. So right now the kitchen looks so much better than before. As you can see, it has everything that a kitchen essential needs to have, and he was so excited that his kitchen looked this way after buying the utensils, and even we started using some of these things and prepared dinner. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the kitchen haul. The other thing is that we also bought curtains. So these curtains, we bought them at Gekomba, all of them. The green one was 500 shillings. The grey ones, both the flowered, the patterned one and the plain one, were 3,000. And the flowered one for the kitchen was 200 shillings. So it was a very cheap price. As you can see, I know curtains can be a bit expensive, and we decided to match the curtains that we got instead of buying new ones. So these ones will just be cleaned and then hung in the house. So that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed the Kamukunji haul and also the curtains that I've just shown you. And if you would like, if you have any questions or any comments on the items that I bought, on where we bought them, on which mall and everything, you can just leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. It was a shopping haul, kitchen shopping haul. I hope you got some inspiration for your kitchen items and how you can save up and be able to buy all the kitchen items you need. You first of all, you need to have a shopping list, and secondly, you need to save because some of these items, if you buy them at once or if you don't save for them, they can be a little bit overwhelming, and you can stay for a very long time without buying some of the items that are essential to you. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and if you like DIYs as much as I do, kindly consider following me on Instagram and on Facebook at Cosying Up with Essy. And if you have any business inquiries, kindly contact me at cosyingupwithessy@gmail.com and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you haven't joined our DIY family yet, kindly hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Guys, this year 2021, we really want to grow and we want to get to 10k subscribers and more. So guys, share this video if you like it and give it a thumbs up, and this helps my content and my channel so much. So guys, let's grow together, and I hope you continue enjoying my content. Cheers guys, have a lovely week and see you in the next time.